Hello student, welcome back to the concept classes Science and Math. Today we are going to continue the chapter Nutrition in Plants. Okay student, so we will discuss new topic of this chapter. So let's start new topic, other modes of nutrition in plants. We know all green plants show the autotrophic mode of nutrition because they can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Is that clear? But some plants do not contain chlorophyll, so they depend on others plants and others organism. So plants show the other mode of nutrition also. So what are the other mode of nutrition in plants? These are the other mode of nutrition in the plants. Okay, so first is saprotrophs. What is the mean of saprotrophs nutrition? Those plants which obtain their food from dead and decaying organic matter. Is that clear? Then how they get their food from the dead and decaying organic matter? They secrete special type of digestive juice secrete on the dead and decaying matter, and this digestive juice convert it into the solution. Is that clear? Then student, now the plants get ready to absorb these nutrients from their body and fulfill their requirement. By this way, this type of plants obtain their food. So these plants are called saprotrophs, and this type of nutrition is called saprotrophic nutrition. Clear? And we can take the example like mushroom and fungus show such kind of nutrition. Clear? Okay, second is parasites. It means, what is the parasites? Parasite means those plants which obtain their food from the other's plant body. It means host plant. How they get their nutrition from the host plant where they live. Like example, Cuscuta. Cuscuta show such kind of nutrition. In this, Cuscuta is a parasite and it lives on the other bushy trees. Clear? And get their nutrition from that host plant. By this way, Cuscuta is a parasite and it shows the parasitic nutrition. Okay, now, and in this we can also see another example, mistletoe. Mistletoe is a partial parasite. How it is partial parasite? Because mistletoe make their own food by the process of photosynthesis, but it get the water and minerals from the plant's body. Clear? Okay, that's why it is called partial parasite. Okay, next is the other mode of nutrition is insectivorous type. Okay, what is the insectivorous? Some green plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis, but they depend on other for getting the nitrogenous substance. Why? Because they grow in nitrogen deficient soil. So that's why they require the nitrogen substance for growth and to be healthy. So how they get their requirement? They have the special type of structure, these type of plants. For example, pitcher plant. Pitcher plant have a special type of structure. It means their leaves modified into the pitcher structure, and this the top of pitcher have a lid structure. This okay student, and now what will be happen, how they get their nitrogenous substance. For example, when the any insect come near to this pitcher and sit on them, and it stick to the pitcher because there is a lubricant substance, and in this pitcher have the digestive juice and have a hair downward hair like structure. When the insect trap into this pitcher, it goes down and mix into the digestive juice and decompose and convert into the simpler substance, and from that this plant get their nitrogen substance from their body. Okay, so that's why we can say pitcher plant is a insectivorous plant, and such kind of nutrition it's so. Okay, what are the another examples like bladderwort, Venus flytrap, and sundew? These are the another insectivorous plant. Okay, now next we will talk about the other symbiotic nutrition. It means, what is the symbiotic? When the two different organisms live together and help each other in obtaining food. How? We can understand by the example. For example, lichen. Lichen is a combined form of fungus and alga. Fungus don't have the chlorophyll and alga have the chlorophyll. So how they help to each other to obtaining the food? Fungus provide the water and minerals. Alga, as we know, have the chlorophyll. So it we can say that alga can make their food by self with the help of photosynthesis. Is that clear? Then after that photosynthesis, alga provide some of the food to the fungus, and by this way they help each other to obtaining the food. Clear? And we can also understand this relationship by the another example like rhizobium and leguminous plant. Leguminous plant required the nitrogenous substance. Clear? But they cannot absorb the nitrogen of gaseous form from the atmosphere because they don't have this type of power. So who can help them? For this, there is a bacterium which is called the rhizobium, and this rhizobium lives in the root nodules of leguminous plant. Clear? And it means leguminous plant provide the food and shelter to the rhizobium, and in return rhizobium absorb the nitrogenous gas from the atmosphere and convert it usable form and make it available for the leguminous plant, and by this way they live together and help each other in obtaining the food. So this is the another example, and they show a special relationship between, and this is called the symbiosis. Is that clear? And such kind of nutrition is called symbiotic mode of nutrition. So we have seen the such kind of other mode of nutrition in the plants. Clear? So now this is the chapter number 1, nutrition in plants, and in the next video we will see the question answer of this chapter. Okay student, if you are new on my channel, subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Okay student, so we will meet in new videos.